Hey, I'm Sean.
And I'm Zach. We made a course to help people produce better prints, and it's called Producing Better Prints. Printing can be challenging, mysterious, and intimidating to get started with.
Zach and I have been photographing for a long time, and we've also been making prints for a long time. And through that process, we've learned a lot about printing, and we want to share our knowledge with you.
Yeah, we intended this course for photographers who want help getting their prints to look more like what they see on their screen.
So we're going to cover all the aspects of printing that we've found to be fundamental and essential to our work, including color management, workspace lighting, types of printers and print media, image file types, ICC profiles, soft proofing,
Sizing, sharpening, test printing, printing from your own printer, ordering prints from a lab, as well as displaying and viewing prints.
The course has several hours of instruction with over 30 chapters. It includes practice images and additional resources. It also comes with a special discount. You get 20% off an order with HD aluminum prints.
We think it's an excellent course, and we hope you enjoy it.